I get it. You're probably frantically overthinking about your crush all the time to the point it's probably a little bit excessive. You're probably thinking to yourself, man, is this normal? And low-key, deep down, you know that if only she's thinking about you as much as you're thinking about her, then it wouldn't be so weird. Well, today, I'm here to help all my weirdos out because I get it. Who wouldn't want their crush to think about them uncontrollably? Today, I'm gonna show you how to become more memorable to the point that she's not gonna be able to get you out of her mind. If that sounds interesting, let's hop in. Number one, this is the most important step. This is your opener. You need to foster an intimate connection. Before you can even think about running through a girl's mind, you have to be able to get to her mind. And most girls, by nature, have several walls put in place to protect against stranger danger. Women are very weary about who they engage with, especially men, because they don't want to damage themselves. So you need to break down these walls to be able to engage with her and build this intimate trust. Trust that will make her feel comfortable around you. The best way to do this is to show respect towards the woman and her values, and also ask her those deep questions that will make her know that you're really interested in getting to know her and not just betting. Number two, drop a hint. Women are more scared than men to make the first move. Therefore, you as the man need to do the work. You need to drop the hint. You need to set that spark that's gonna set a flame in her mind, wondering, does he like me? That's how you get into her head. Don't be afraid of doing a certain thing that might lead her to think that you like her, because now you're gonna have her endlessly wondering, does he like me or not? And the easiest, simplest way to do this, you don't even have to say a word, is just by looking at her. Looking at her so passionately that she's gonna know that you want her. Women are stupid. She's gonna pick up this hint, and now she's gonna be wondering, I wonder if he really does like me. Rolls us on to number three. Now you gotta pay attention to how you look. When women are thinking about you, I wonder if he likes me or not, their brain will always lead towards the answer that they want. That's just how it works. Your brain will always make you believe it's better than it is. And if the package looks good, deep down, she's gonna start building these pros and cons lists. And the pros will just outweigh the cons because you look so good. She's gonna make every excuse in her mind why you're the right option and why you probably like her, and now you're really in her mind. If you look like a slob, do you really think she's gonna worry if you like her or not? She's just gonna brush that off. If you look on point, she's gonna have sleepless nights over this. Here's the easiest thing that you can do that time and time again worked for me when I'm always trying to look better without putting in a lot of effort. That, for me, boys, is always wearing a sweet watch. Now, this one is from our sponsor, Movement Watches, which is probably one of the best fashion brands out there considering their price and their design. But watches always drop a subliminal message to women, letting them know that A, you take care of yourself, but also B, you're a man that's, well, you're pretty successful. You've made it in life. Now, of course, I'm gonna recommend to my boys Movement Watches because these guys, they're just affordable. Considering just how good they look and how sexy they look on you for the price point that they sell it at, it's almost a no-brainer. If you don't have a watch or you're trying to build a collection, here's where you probably should start. Not only are they affordable, but they also have free worldwide shipping and free returns on any order over 50 bucks. So if you get the watch and for some reason you don't like it, you can return it for free. No questions asked. If you're a baller and you got a little bit more to spend, then you can upgrade to their high-end collection, which is their automatic movement line, which just look at that watch for movement, which, by the way, this watch looks like it would be about $1,000 on your wrist. It's not even close to that. Movement is so confident in their watches that they have a 2-year warranty. You're gonna have this watch for the long haul. There's gonna be a link down below. Go through all their collections. They have so many watches. I guarantee you're gonna probably get overwhelmed and wanna buy multiple of them. And if you do, I got the hookup. There's a discount code down there below that's gonna get you 15% off. That's gonna make these affordable watches even more affordable. This is a no-brainer, boys. Click that link down below. But this rolls me on to number 4. You could have done all that, but if you don't do the step, you might have just thrown everything away. You need to desire yourself. How the hell can you expect her to desire you and find you attractive if you don't even see yourself that way? You need to actively see yourself as this desirable man and put yourself on that pedestal instead of putting her there. That way you don't worship her all the time and you become more aloof, more cool, more attractive. And that is what she's gonna desire. That's what she's gonna think about all the time. Number 5, you have to be financially independent. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. You want women to desire you? Well, you need to show that you're mature enough to take care of yourself and be able to take care of her. No, you don't have to be rich or come from a family of wealth, but no girl's gonna wanna mate with a bum. No girl's gonna wanna mate with somebody knowing that they're gonna struggle in the future. Just like you, women, they like to be spoiled from time to time. So they wanna know that that's even an option and that you're not just a complete bum. Finally, number 6, leave an impression. There needs to be something different about you that she just can't get out of her head. Something that makes you different than every other guy. And this is just balancing your emotional side and your masculine side. So many guys hide behind this macho man wall, but these guys tend to forget that women want an emotional response from men too. So yes, it's okay to dress well, to care about your appearance, to be vulnerable enough to let her know you like her, but still be dominant enough to lead the way or make her feel protected. That's a man worth remembering. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Those are 6 things that you can do to become memorable and have her desire you, have her think about you every single day. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Movement Watches. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.